Unlock a universe of unique visuals in seconds with Canva's revolutionary AI image generator. First, let's find the AI powerhouse within Canva. Navigate to Canva's homepage on the left-hand menu. You'll typically find Magic Studio or a direct link to text-to-image. Click on that to enter the AI creation zone. Now, to conjure your image, you'll use text prompts. Think descriptive and specific. For example, try something like a cat wearing a tiny astronaut helmet, floating in space. Digital art style. The more detail you provide, the closer the AI gets to your vision. Canva also offers style presets to refine your output. Do you want a photorealistic image, a dreamy watercolor painting, or a futuristic cyberpunk look? Experiment with these styles to dramatically alter the mood and aesthetic of your AI art. Let's try a more complex prompt. Imagine you need a backdrop for a fantasy project. Type in something evocative: a serene forest clearing with dappled sunlight filtering through ancient trees. Fantasy illustration. Observe how the AI interprets these words into visual elements. Once you generate, Canva will provide several variations based on your prompt. Browse through them. If one is close but not perfect, you can often generate again, perhaps tweaking your prompt slightly, or select a variation to refine further. Found the perfect image? Simply click on it, then choose Apply or Use this image. It will instantly appear on your canvas, ready to be incorporated into your design's resize, reposition, add text, combine with other elements. The creative possibilities are endless. From stunning social media posts to unique presentation graphics, Canva's AI image generator empowers you to create professional visuals without needing years of design experience. Start prompting today and transform your ideas into reality.